I'm gonna remember this moment right now. I'm gonna hold on to this feeling somehow, somehow. No one can take away the memories that we make. I'm gonna remember this moment right now. Feels like 100 years, and just like that it disappears. But it's not forever out of reach. There's even the worst of days. They too will fade away. A memory like this can set you free, set you free.
Hindi pa yan nila marunong. Kas, kaya mo siya. Huwag mo na isuksok yung ulo mo. Pasaway talaga siya. Huwag mo na isuksok. Siya talaga pinapamakulit sa lahat, oh. Parang laruan. La. Inaangat na niya sarili niya. Gusto siya lumakad eh.
Hindi niya pa kaya.
Nagtutumba-tumba pa yung ulo eh, parang laruan. Ala.
Naliligo sila ng Maison Ropes.